Hi, this is Ed with Antique Stoves. Today I'm going to talk about wood cook stove fireboxes. The differences between styles, age. Older, antiques wood cook stoves had a smaller firebox. The cook stoves of that era were designed primarily as strictly a cooking utensil. The small firebox was designed to heat up in a hurry and cook the food, not as a heating stove as well. They worked really well for this. They worked fantastically well for this. But modern cook stoves have a larger firebox. That's also by design so that the larger firebox will act as a heating stove as well. Older houses had a separate heating unit for the house. Not as much insulation. You needed to have a cook stove to cook in the kitchen and a heating stove to heat the house, or two heating stoves to heat the house. That's why they were built that way. With insulation, modern home designs, one wood cook stove from the North American wood cook stove manufacturers, which are designed with a larger firebox, will, in most cases, be able to be the only wood-fired unit you would need in the house to heat with and cook with. That being the case, the new stoves will, on average, hold fire overnight, especially with hardwood, so that you go to bed at 9, 10 o'clock, fill it up with wood, it'll hold fire all night and be the only source of heat you would need in the house. No outside connections, one unit. This is a very handy thing. Older wood cook stoves are fantastic. New wood cook stoves are fantastic. They just do different things. That's the difference between antique wood cook stove fireboxes and modern wood cook stove fireboxes. Thanks for your time.